Look up at the night sky. That bright, calm object you see, the moon, looks harmless. But here's a scary question. What if the moon suddenly vanished and something else took its place? Not an alien spaceship, not science fiction, I mean real planets. And finally, a black hole. Would Earth survive, or would everything end quietly? Let's find out, using real physics. Baseline, what the moon actually does. Before we destroy Earth, let's understand one thing. The moon controls ocean tides, stabilizes Earth's rotation, keeps our climate relatively stable. Its mass is about 1/80th of Earth. That's important. Remember this number. Now, let's replace it. Scenario 1. Mars replaces the moon. Mars moves into the moon's exact position. Same distance, different mass. Mars is about 9 times heavier than the moon. What happens? Tides become much stronger. Coastal flooding increases. Earthquakes become more frequent. Nights become brighter and red. But here's the surprise. Earth survives. Life becomes harder, but civilization continues. The planet adapts. This is uncomfortable, but not catastrophic. So let's increase the danger. Scenario 2. Earth replaces the moon. Now imagine another Earth appears where the moon was, same distance. But now the mass is 81 times larger. This changes everything. Ocean tides rise hundreds of meters. Coastal cities vanish, Earth's crust experiences. Massive stress volcanoes activate globally. Days become unstable. Earth's rotation begins to wobble. This is no longer just a bad day. This is near extinction level. Human civilization collapses. Some life survives, deep underground and underwater. But Earth is no longer comfortable, and now we go bigger. Scenario 3. Jupiter replaces the moon. Jupiter appears, same distance, but its mass is more than 300 times Earth. At this point, tides become planet-destroying. Earth's orbit destabilizes. The crust fractures. Massive atmospheric loss begins. Earth doesn't explode. Something worse happens. Earth slowly dies. Oceans boil in some places, freeze in others. The planet becomes geologically violent. Life as we know it does not survive. So now let's ask the most feared question. Final scenario. A black hole replaces the moon. Most people think this is instant death, but here's the truth. Gravity only cares about mass. If a black hole with the same mass as the moon replaces it, nothing dramatic happens. Earth stays in orbit. Tides remain the same. We don't get sucked in. Earth survives. The only difference? The night sky becomes terrifying. Light bends. Stars distort. The moon's glow is gone forever now. If the black hole is more massive than the moon, that's different. Extreme tides. Orbital decay. Earth slowly spirals inward. Final destruction over thousands of years. Not an explosion. A slow, silent end. The big realization. Here's the shocking truth. The moon is perfectly sized. Too small, Earth becomes unstable. Too big, Earth is destroyed. Too massive, Earth doesn't last long. The moon isn't random. It's one of the main reasons we exist at all. So next time you see the moon, remember this. It's not just a rock in the sky. It's a guardian. And if you enjoyed pushing reality to its limits, subscribe, because next time, we're replacing something even more important.